What's poppin'? What's poppin' is the Instagram-worthy water slime. I added 2 cups of clear glue, and now we're going to add some color.
Time to mix it up.
Now we mix.
That's a pretty color.
Yeah, I like it. It's like emerald. Reminds me of like the 20 beauty dresses that we had. We're going to get it to the color that we want, and then we're going to add water. I think that's about the color. We added 2 cups of clear glue. Now we're going to add 4 cups of water. Excuse me. We're going to put 1 cup in at a time and then give it a mix. So the first cup. Now we're going to mix this. You can already see a difference in the slime.
Sitting it out, huh?
Yep.
Another cup.
Another cup.
This is actually a half cup. So now we have 1 full cup of water and 2 cups of glue. We need to get 4 cups of water and 2 cups of glue to make this recipe, right?
Yep. So I think that's about good for this one. Now we're going to add the second.
That's third.
Yeah,
That's the third. So we have 1.5 cups of water in there.
Now the water is all added in, but it does not feel anything like glue at all.
Or slime, huh?
No.
Not yet.
This is 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Add that in, and then we're gonna mix that. Maybe this will help it like come together and make it more slimy. Now we're going to add a little bit of activator at a time, and we're going to mix it a lot. So we're going to add a little bit of activator.
That's not activator. That's glue, silly me.
At this point, we're almost done, but we're gonna mix them up so we can have some fun. This is super cool. Whoa. It's like the only slime that you can use that with.
Still a bit liquidy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. After you're done mixing it here, getting it all thoroughly mixed, we're gonna sit it for 2 days straight to get all the bubbles out so it'll be crystal clear, and then we'll come put our hands through it. And we'll take it to...
Is it still gonna have some green in it from the color?
Yes, yes. Always be green. Like Emerald City there. You feel how watery it is?
It is so watery right there. Look, you can do this.
So guys, it's looking like a very loose Jell-O.
Yeah.
It won't form a ball.
Yep.
Nope. You could stretch it a little bit, but it's really sticky.
Yeah. So that's
See her hands?
I think we should add some borax.
Nope. I think we're just right. Who do you think? What do you think? 2 days will tell us, right?
Yeah, I guess. It's pretty cool, but it's just a tad sticky.
Yeah.
It's just like,
Listen to that.
it's just like, you know, like, bah, bah. You know, it's like nothing I've felt ever before.
Ooh.
Come on, slime, do the ASMR.
That was cool. Oh. We put 1 last half cup of water in. Ariel's gonna combine it all together. That's so cool.
Whoa.
She wants a bathtub full.
So, we
Sorry,
can't do
that's too
that
much.
because we have a septic tank.
That would ruin it. Don't do that at home, kids. That's amazing. Oh, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna let this set for 2 days. We'll come back and show you if it's the Instagram trend everybody's talking about.
Yep. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, the verdict is in. The water slime is set up for 24 hours. The bubbles are out. Now it's fantastic. Let's check it out. Try to see.
Ooh.
Flip it.
Wow. That is some jiggly
It's like
stuff.
water. It looks and feels like this, like water, but it's not.
It turned out really good. Wow.
Put it in your hand. It's like, nope.
That's cool.
Jippy's calling for babies there. What? No.
That's pretty cool.
Floppy.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, that made some cool bubbles.
ASMR.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like Jello.
Yeah, it very much reminds me of Jello. Whoa! I'm impressed with how little it's sticking.
Yeah.
Your hand comes right out
Mom.
of there. Yes. And this was very little. This was 8 parts water to 2 parts glue. That's incredible. And a little bit of activator and food coloring.
Yeah.
So,
That's
a
literally
very fun way to make a lot of slime for cheap, huh?
Yep. Look at this.
Woo!
And it's not like the dollar store stuff.
No, it isn't. You can get that ooey gooey crap, let's just say, everywhere. This is definitely much better than that.
Yeah, I mean like that. Like,
Ooh, sorry.
stretches like this much.
Yeah,
and
that's a good
forward.
stretch.
But this
Ooh, look at
stretches
that.
almost as much as regular slime, but
Yes.
it falls out of your hands.
Now, this is a trend that I think I would do again. How about you? Thumbs
Yeah.
up or thumbs down?
So this is a trend I'm on board with, but we're going to take it one step further and make it iceberg slime. That's when you take slime and you put shaving cream on the top of it, and then you wait 2 days, and then it becomes all crackly. So then you put your hands through it.
All right. Now that we know this works, let's see if we can't do 2 trends, 1 video, iceberg slime. Will it work?
Yeah. Do you have to put like one thick coat?
Yep, you just put 1. You could just probably spray it in the middle and then like take your hands and cover it.
Like that?
Put a good amount.
Okay. Then we'll just do it.
Yep, I would say even more than that, Ariel.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
You're the one that watches the YouTubes on.
Wait, what? You don't watch YouTube?
I do.
Guilty. That's a guilty face.
You're just the one that watches iceberg slime.
Because I want to make it right. All right, spread it out with your hands. We'll show everybody how you're doing it. You don't have to be so gentle. Get right in there. Come on, make a mess. There you go. Spread it on.
There we go. It's gonna look like a big fluffy cloud, and then it's like, oh,
Yes.
it's green.
Right? And then in 2 days, we'll see if we can get some of that amazing iceberg ASMR
Stuff.
crackly slime with water slime
I'm just
underneath.
worried.
We'll see. Will it work?
Yeah, will it work?
We don't know.
I'm
We
sure.
didn't know if this was gonna work, but it did.
I'm just worried if Dean just comes in.
And touches it.
Yeah.
All right. So we will film this in 2 days,
Yep.
add it to the video, and we'll tell you if it worked. What do you say? Give them a big shaving cream hand wave bye.
Bye. Iceberg slime is finally set.
We let it set for
48 hours.
48 hours, exactly, right now.
Yep.
So we're gonna test. Is it crunchy? Did it work? And will the underneath still be
Green.
blobbly and water
Yes.
slime? All right, you ready to dig in?
Yes.
Let's do it. Go ahead.
It doesn't.
Not bad.
Oh. It works. I don't know if it's gonna mix enough.
No, I probably won't mix in. Ooh, listen to that crispy crunch. Here, do it right here. Oh, it did. Oh, there you go. There you go.
The water slime and this.
Now go ahead, see if it'll mix together.
It is kinda.
Kind of funny, huh?
Like this right here is kind of like cloud slime.
Really stretchy, huh? I don't think we'll be saving this one.
No, probably not.
But the water slimes work, right?
Yeah.
We have very little glue and a ton of water. We got a cool green slime. And then leaving it set for another 2 days with a shaving cream on top made a pretty cool iceberg slime, right?
Yeah, it is.
So pretty cool for ASMR.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, if you already have it made and you're done playing with it, kind of a fun thing to do, right?
Yeah.
So, would you give it a slimy green thumbs up or a slimy green thumbs down?
I give it
2 thumbs up.
Yeah, I guess it's sticky though.
I can see it's very sticky. I think you'll be going right to the sink when the video's done, right? What are you saying, everybody?
Thanks for watching.
Give them 2 slimy green hands. Goodbye.
One more idea to do with this. We thought of putting an activator in it and see if it turned into fluffy slime. It started to.
Some more. Some activator and go.
Water activator.
Let's see.
Now we just
So then-
activate this totally and turn it into regular.
Is it activating?
It is.
It is. Look at that. It's a little sticky.
Weird.
I think you're gonna need a lot more. Yeah, you gotta really work it from the bottom.
It's not that sticky. It's just like the activator changed the texture completely.
Yeah, because it'll get thicker now, watch.
It's more like the stuff at the store.
The gooey stuff like that you get in the cheap section.
I wouldn't add any more than this.
Alright, keep going. Oh,
But so it works.
it's activated, right?
Yeah.
We put a bunch of activator in.
Turn into the stuff that you buy at the dollar store.
It's true. It's slime,
It's a little more stretchy than that.
but not slime that you guys would want to play with, honestly. It's jiggly. It's like exactly like Ariel said, that kind of junk that you get at the dollar store. But you adding activator changed it again, right?
Yeah.
So, we went from water slime to
This
iceberg slime.
slime.
Now back to jiggly
Cloud jiggle.
something slime.
concoction.
All right, we are totally done with this now, right?
Yeah.
We can put it in a container for our slime smoothie.
Wait, this is the most experimented slime ever.
Right, exactly. So we'll put it in a container, and we have like 50. We'll make a giant slime smoothie for you to swim in, right?
Yeah.
All right, bye for real this time. Tell everybody bye.